I woke up this morning at 6 a.m. and looked outside and there's like water everywhere, and I noticed like a car down the street's been, all the water has gushed and shunted one of the cars into the other, and then right over here on the corner of Wright Street is all these cars were floating, and this car over here, the white one, has also floated round the corner. So yeah, with all the water that was just flooded everywhere. So
the heavy rain came blowing through, and it woke me up, just the rain, and then there was like a gentle earthquake. Well, it wasn't an earthquake, it was the hillside coming down, and that's about all I know. I didn't bother getting up out of bed or anything to have a look. I didn't think there was anything. It's scary when you it's,
Not really. Everything's sort of off ground level. Other places I think have had it way worse than what we've got. Just got some dehumidifiers in here.
What about your little raised bed?
Nah.
We know that some people have been evacuated. Council has set up an emergency assistance centre. So for the southern suburbs, this has been a pretty serious downfall of rain.
Oh, that's the last thing you heard. So who was sleeping in there? How old are they?
The other guy was like that now. Same as my age.